Hi everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to set up a pre-market screener to find stocks that are moving before the market opens. The Tradingview scanner is a powerful, real-time filtering tool. It lets us find stocks, cryptocurrencies, foreign exchange, and ETFs using specific technical or fundamental criteria. With this tool, we can scan thousands of assets using metrics like market cap, volume, price performance, and oscillator signals across different timeframes. If we want to see what is moving before the market opens, we need a solid pre-market screener. In this video, we will walk through how to set up a pre-market screening so we are ready before the opening bell. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. We go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the main page, we log into our account. After logging in, we are ready to go. At the top of the page, we see products, community, markets, and more. Now we go to products. At the bottom, we see screeners. We click this, and then we go to stocks. Click stocks. Now, we are on the page with all stocks, items, indices, and features. Here, we see all the symbols, sales, volume, and market cap. To use the pre-market screener, we go to extended hours. Extended hours are also called pre-market. We click this. Now, we see the pre-market price, pre-market chart, pre-market cap, and all the pre-market categories here. The screener helps us quickly filter and find trading opportunities from thousands of assets based on criteria like price, volume, trend, indicators, or performance. Instead of checking charts one by one, this helps us save time, spot potential setups faster, and focus only on assets that fit our trading strategies. That is how we set up a pre-market filter. This helps us quickly spot active stocks and focus on the best opportunities before the market opens. With this, we are already one step ahead of the market before the open.